into our little chalet. A little two-seater couch, a little small bar fridge. This is our lolly, the 2-bedroom unit, wash basin, another couch. We've got room number 1 coming in. Mosquito nets, an aircon running at full blast. This is the double bed, or the 2 singles that they made to 1, so king size bed. So the other room looks exactly the same. On the other side, with the bed, aircon on top. There we are. Going through the bathroom. Just put the lights on. And into the small shower area. So yeah, looks decent enough. 2-night stay. Let's see. Hopefully those aircons pump, because we'll need them. today, jeep versus ostrich. Hier vandaag met jou kabel. Ja, dit is check one for the front. Zijn echt gelijk best wel kak. Ja meneer, wat zie je?
Oh ja, sê nou doe dit sê. Is dit sê dit nou te lekker. Hè? Suicide bomber. How has your experience been in Etosha?
Fantastic. Seeing all the animals we want to, and it's not that hot, and it's absolutely lovely, beautiful. Oh, it's been good. We're getting some rain, hopefully. Clouds are pulling in tonight, so if all comes through, we'll have a bit of rain, and we'll do the rain dance with the locals. That's how I know. Really wanted to be here. I'm glad I came through, even though we are in hell at the moment with the heat. But yeah, enjoyed it. Really did.
So, you beautiful thing here, how has your Etosha experience been?
I've had a fantastic time. I didn't think I'd see the animals that I saw. It was amazing. I was the one to spot the first lions. So a man was speeding at 100 km down the dirt road, which is FYI how we, damaged the vehicle. But it has been incredibly hot. I don't know whose bright idea it was to come here in the middle of summer. At least we've got an aircon though, and the aircon keeps it at a much more comfortable level, maybe 22 degrees inside the house than it's scorching 40 degrees outside. But we've had amazing food. We've met some nice people. The watering hole right here at Olali is amazing. Last night we saw quite a bit. We will share another video of exactly what we saw and where we saw it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the next part of our trip. It'll be insanely cooler, almost by about 20 degrees. So yeah, looking forward to that. Do you think he's getting annoyed by the flies? From the windows to the wall to the strips,
Let's rain. Let's rain. We bring rain to Namibia. Come.
He's doing the rain dance.
Etosha. The rain dance. Etosha.